Are you ready to take your DIY, workshop, or job site to the next level? We've got a list of 15 incredible tools that will elevate your projects and make your work easier, faster, and smarter. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, these must-have tools will change the way you work. Let's dive in.
Number 1. The Strongway Pallet Jack Fork Pallet Truck is a reliable tool for efficient lifting and maneuvering in various work environments. With a lift range of 3 3/8 inches to 7.87 inches, this pallet truck is ideal for handling standard pallets and other heavy loads. The 48-inch tapered steel forks ensure smooth entry into pallets, reducing the chances of damage during operation. The powder coat paint finish adds to its durability and protects the forks from rust and wear, ensuring long-term use. The 3-function handle, equipped with a comfort grip, allows for easy lifting, lowering, and holding of loads, making it simple for users to operate. This pallet truck also features 7-inch non-marking poly steering wheels, which offer a 190-degree turning radius, allowing for smooth and precise movement in tight spaces. This makes it an excellent choice for warehouses and storage facilities where space can be limited. Overall, the Strongway Pallet Jack is built with durability, ease of use, and versatility, making it a valuable addition to any workplace requiring efficient pallet handling. Number 2. The Omni Table 4-in-1 portable workbench is a versatile solution for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, combining 4 functions into one. It serves as a workbench, scaffold, dolly, and creeper, offering endless possibilities for various projects. It even includes a free blue MOL jigsaw blade set, making it even more appealing for tasks that require precision cutting. One of its key features is the adjustable height legs, which can be extended, shortened, or collapsed to meet the specific needs of your project. This allows users to customize the table for different tasks, whether it's for working on wood, automotive repairs, or moving supplies. The compact and portable design makes it easy to store and transport, weighing just 32 pounds, yet capable of supporting up to 500 pounds on its sturdy, non-slip 37.5-inch by 18.3-inch work surface. Additional built-in features such as a 110-volt power strip, ruler and protractor, drill hole, steel hammer surface, and accessory storage make this workbench even more practical. The Omni Table is designed with convenience in mind, complete with a carry handle for easy transport, making it a highly functional and durable tool for any project. Number 3. The DeWalt 20-volt max cordless plumbing pipe press toolkit with crimping heads is a powerful and efficient tool designed for professional plumbers working with copper, stainless steel, PEX, and carbon steel pipes. It features a pressing capacity of 1/2 inch to 1 1/4 inches, making it versatile enough for a wide range of pipe sizes, and it can handle copper pipes up to 4 inches. One of the standout features is its onboard diagnostics, which provides important real-time information about battery life, successful crimps, service needs, and operating temperature range. This ensures smooth operation and minimizes downtime on the job. Additionally, the Crimp Connect reporting technology allows for detailed tracking and documentation of the work completed, making it easier to keep accurate records. The tool is user-friendly, with forward and reverse triggers that enhance usability, allowing for precise control during operation. The kit includes 5 crimping heads ranging from 1/2 inch to 2 inches, providing the flexibility to handle various tasks. This DeWalt pipe press tool is an excellent solution for professionals seeking a reliable, cordless tool for pressing and crimping pipes efficiently and accurately. Number 4. The Bandit UL 4000D Ultra LOK cordless tool is a powerful portable banding tool designed to enhance speed and efficiency in critical applications. Ideal for heavy-duty tasks like securing large hoses and performing field repairs, this tool offers 20% stronger performance compared to traditional band and buckle systems. Its increased strength and reliability make it perfect for industrial environments where consistency and productivity are essential. With a lightweight design of only 8 pounds and compact dimensions of 16.6 inches in length and 10.2 inches in height, the Ultra LOK tool is easy to carry and maneuver, providing excellent portability for on-site work. Training to use the tool is quick and straightforward, taking just minutes to get started, which helps minimize downtime and increase efficiency. Whether you're working on heavy hoses or making repairs in the field, the Bandit UL 4000D is built to provide a faster, more consistent, and more productive solution. Number 5. The Wolfcraft handheld sander for plasterboard is designed for efficient and comfortable sanding of plasterboard surfaces. It accommodates 115 by 280 mm grit cloths, making it ideal for large surfaces. The sander features a 2-component handle with a soft zone that fits comfortably in the hand, reducing fatigue during prolonged use. The grit cloth is easily secured using a reliable clamping mechanism. To attach, simply lift the yellow clamps and place the grit cloth underneath. The clamp serrations ensure that the cloth stays securely in place, allowing for continuous, hassle-free sanding. The sander comes with a 120 grit cloth, perfect for smoothing plasterboard. This tool provides a convenient and effective solution for both professional and DIY drywall projects. Number 6. The Works WX240L 4-volt 3-speed cordless screwdriver is a versatile and user-friendly tool designed for various screw driving applications. It features 3 speed settings: slow, medium, and fast, allowing users to tackle different tasks with ease. The slow setting is ideal for backing out screws, while the fast setting is perfect for driving larger fasteners efficiently. This compact and lightweight screwdriver is designed for comfortable use, even during extended tasks, and its slim profile makes it easy to work in tight spaces. A low battery light ensures you always know when to recharge, and it conveniently recharges via a USB Type-C charger. Equipped with 2 LED lamps, this screwdriver provides excellent visibility in dark or confined areas. The kit includes 12 bits, 3 Phillips, 3 slotted, 2 Torx, 2 square recess insert bits, a 2-inch power bit, and a 1/4-inch magnetic bit holder. The bits come stored in a durable plastic injection molded case for added convenience. Built with Works' cutting-edge technology, the WX240L is a reliable addition to any tool collection, perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Number 7. The TOREK T4 Bushcraft is a precision water-cooled sharpening system designed for hunting, outdoor, and survival tools. It is engineered to professionally sharpen knives and axes, ensuring a perfect edge every time. With a dual-grit sharpening stone that runs at a low speed of 120 RPM, the T4 Bushcraft prevents overheating while delivering sharp, honed edges. The system is built for consistent and repeatable sharpening results, thanks to its solid universal support arm that securely locks jigs in place. This allows for precise sharpening of a wide range of outdoor tools, including hunting knives, fishing knives, and various types of axes. The TOREK T4 Bushcraft features a durable cast frame made of zinc, housing the machine's key components, ensuring long-lasting reliability. Whether you're a professional outdoorsman or an avid hunter, this sharpener is the perfect tool to maintain the sharpness and performance of your essential outdoor gear. Number 8. The Grizzly Industrial G0938 18-inch scroll saw with stand is a versatile tool designed for precision cutting. It features a tilting table with an easy-to-read bevel scale, allowing for accurate angled cuts. The cam-action blade release system enables quick, tool-free blade changes, making it convenient to switch between tasks. This scroll saw is compatible with both pin-end and plain-end blades, offering flexibility for various cutting needs. An adjustable gooseneck LED work light ensures visibility while working on detailed projects, and the flexible sawdust blower helps keep your cutting line clear. The saw comes with a sturdy metal stand, providing stability and reducing vibrations for smoother operation. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a hobbyist, the Grizzly G0938 scroll saw offers reliable performance for intricate cuts and detailed designs. Number 9. The Southwire FTSP 45-125 NCT Simple Electrical Fish Tape is an essential tool for electricians, designed for efficient wire pulling in both filled and empty conduits. Measuring 4.5 millimeters in diameter and 125 feet long, this fish tape works exceptionally well in conduits up to 2 inches in size. Its spiral extruded polymer construction ensures that the tape does not rust and significantly reduces the effort needed to push or pull it through various conduit types, including EMT, IMC, rigid, and PVC. This fish tape features 2 leader options: a 360-degree swiveling flexible metal leader with a strength of 580 pounds, or a non-conductive glow-in-the-dark leader with a strength of 380 pounds, allowing users to choose based on their specific needs. Its low-friction design enables faster and easier pulls, ensuring smooth navigation through turns, joints, and couplings without binding. Combining the strength of traditional steel fish tape with greater flexibility than fiberglass alternatives, this fish tape is engineered to withstand folding and avoid breakage, making it a reliable choice for any electrical project. Number 10. The Stauber Best Bulb Changer Package is a revolutionary tool designed for effortless light bulb replacement. Featuring a patent-pending adjustable gripper mechanism, it offers unmatched versatility and ease of use across a wide range of bulb sizes and shapes. The extra grippy rubber tips are smooth and narrow, ensuring a secure hold without any protrusions that might snag on light sockets, making it particularly effective for heavier LED bulbs. To enhance usability, the bulb leveling stoppers located beneath the rubber tips help maintain the bulb's central axis, allowing for smooth rotation into the socket. The secure snapping mechanism, along with numbered sizes, ensures that the grippers stay firmly in position while enabling quick and easy relocation as needed. Additionally, the Stauber bulb changer is equipped with a powerful steel wing screw and embedded nut, ensuring that threads remain secure and free from stripping or loosening. With its innovative design and robust construction, the Stauber Best Bulb Changer Package is a must-have tool for anyone looking to simplify the task of changing light bulbs safely and efficiently. Number 11. The Viva Home Heavy Duty Vehicle Mover Dolly Set is designed for efficient and easy vehicle movement. Constructed from thick, powder-coated steel, these dollies are durable, rust-resistant, and able to withstand heavy use without bending or damage. Each dolly measures 16 by 11.7 inches and supports up to 1,500 pounds, giving the set a combined capacity of 6,000 pounds, making it suitable for medium and heavy vehicles like cars, trucks, and motorcycles. The dollies feature a non-slip diamond tread surface that increases friction, preventing tires from slipping off. The recessed center provides additional stability, ensuring the tires remain securely in place during movement. Equipped with 4 swivel casters, these dollies offer excellent mobility in all directions, allowing a single person to move vehicles easily. 2 of the wheels on each dolly have a braking function for quick stops and added safety. With built-in handles, these dollies are easy to carry and store, making them ideal for various settings like garages, showrooms, and repair shops. They're versatile and can be used for a wide range of applications, including moving cars, trucks, motorcycles, trailers, and even heavy equipment or furniture. Number 12. The Metabo Grip Multifunctional Wrench is a versatile and creative tool designed for a variety of uses, from outdoor activities to machine repair. With its adjustable design, it can accommodate a wide range of nuts and bolts, making it ideal for use in camping, hiking, cycling, and other outdoor adventures. The portable and compact nature of the wrench makes it easy to carry, whether you're heading out on a camping trip or doing repairs on the go. This wrench is engineered for durability and practicality, ensuring it can handle tough jobs in rugged environments. Its multifunctional capabilities make it more than just a wrench. It's a reliable tool for quick fixes, adjustments, and repairs when you're on the move. Whether you're working on a bike, fixing camping gear, or handling machine repairs, the Metabo Grip provides a handy solution. Built with a focus on portability and performance, it's a must-have for those who enjoy outdoor activities or need a compact tool for repair tasks. Number 13. The logging sawhorse, also known as the timber croc, is a durable steel log holder designed for cutting wood efficiently and safely. With a lifting capacity of over 200 kilograms, it can handle large and heavy logs with ease, making it perfect for professional woodcutting tasks or at-home firewood preparation. The sturdy construction provides a stable workbench with adjustable heights of up to 80 centimeters, allowing for ergonomic and comfortable use. One of its standout features is the patented multiple teeth system that self-adjusts to securely grip logs of various sizes. These laser-cut teeth offer superior grip compared to other log holders, ensuring that your wood stays in place during cutting. Made from high-quality metal components, this log holder enhances safety and efficiency in cutting tasks, whether you're using a chainsaw or handsaw. Designed with convenience in mind, the Timber Croc provides more saw clearance than other log holders, reducing the strain on your back and minimizing fatigue. It is perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts who need a reliable, high-capacity log cutting stand for timber work. Number 14. The Pro Grind Multi-Grind Sharpening Jig is a versatile tool designed to help woodturners achieve precise grinds on bowl gouges and spindle gouges. One of the most challenging aspects of sharpening these tools is getting the correct grind, and this jig, combined with the included setup blocks, takes the guesswork out of the process. It simplifies the sharpening experience when used with sharpening systems that have pocket V-arm attachments. This jig allows users to easily achieve 4 basic grind types: standard, short, and long for bowl gouges, as well as the fingernail grind for spindle gouges. The included instructions guide you through the setup and sharpening process, ensuring that you can quickly and accurately set your tool's grind projection, angle, and pocket V-arm depth. By standardizing these 3 variables, the setup process becomes much smoother and more efficient. Once set up, the jig's natural pivoting and rolling action allow for easy and smooth grinding of the round shape of the gouge, making it far easier than freehand grinding. Additionally, it keeps your fingers safe and away from the grinding wheel, offering both precision and safety in tool sharpening. Number 15. The 6-bit Hex Wrench multi-tool with keychain is a compact and versatile tool designed for convenience and durability. All bits are ED-coated to resist corrosion, ensuring long-lasting performance. Magnets keep the bits securely in place, so they won't get lost during use. The ball-detent swivel head is tested to withstand over 40 Newton-meters of torque, providing strength for tougher tasks. It uses the same bits as the 8-bit system and encased system multi-tools, making it versatile and interchangeable with other systems. This multi-tool offers 11 functions, including 2mm, 2.5mm, 3mm, 4mm, 5mm, 6mm, and 8mm hex wrenches, flathead number 3.5, Phillips number 2 screwdrivers, and Torx compatible bits, T10 and T25. It is designed for users who need a compact, reliable solution for various tasks, from tightening screws to assembling furniture or working on bikes.